Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to edit Instagram captions after posting on PC or laptop. If you're using any PC or any laptop and then you want to edit your post captions, let's see how you can do that. You just have to simply open your browser and just open Instagram here. And once you've opened Instagram, you must see the profile option here. Just click on profile. And here you'll see all of your posts and reels. So let's say I'm gonna edit this one here. Just click on this and then click on three dots in the top right and just click on edit. So once you have clicked on edit, you must see at this type of interface here you can add different captions, add hashtags, or even you can also tag different people. Just click on this, click photo to tag people, just click on that option and just wait for some moments and you must see the tags option here. So you just have to wait for that. And once you get that, you just have to simply enter the name or the username of the person which you want to tag. And then you can actually tag multiple persons here. So I already tagged this one. So once you have done, just click on this done option here and your post will be saved with changes. So in this way, you can easily edit Instagram post captions after posting. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.